Hello, and welcome to myTRIAList. Today we will provide an overview of the TeliMET NSCLC-01 clinical trial. The goal of this study is to determine whether the drug telisotuzumab vedotin is more effective than the established chemotherapy drug docetaxel for adult patients with previously treated locally advanced or metastatic non-squamous non-small cell lung cancer.
What is locally advanced or metastatic non-squamous non-small cell lung cancer?
Non-small cell lung cancer, or NSCLC, is the most common type of lung cancer and makes up about 85% of all lung cancer cases. NSCLC starts in the cells that line the surface of the lung airways. When these abnormal cells begin to reproduce too quickly, they form tumors. Squamous tumors start in squamous cells, which line the airway of the lungs. Non-squamous cells can start in other types of cells within the lung, such as those that produce mucus. Locally advanced NSCLC means the cancer has grown larger or has spread to the lymph nodes close to the lungs, but it has not spread to different parts of the body. Metastatic NSCLC means that the cancer has spread to distant parts of the lung or to other parts of the body, such as the brain or liver.
Can you tell me more about the medicine being studied?
Telisotuzumab vedotin, also known as Teliso-V, is a type of treatment known as an antibody-drug conjugate, or ADC. An ADC has three parts: an antibody that seeks out a specific target on cells, a chemotherapy drug, and a linker that connects the two. For Teliso-V, the antibody is designed to find a molecule on the cell surface called c-MET protein. Many cells have c-MET protein, but some tumors have much higher levels, which is called c-MET protein overexpression. When the antibody portion of Teliso-V attaches to c-MET protein on a cell, the whole medicine is pulled inside the cell. There, the linker is cut and the chemotherapy is released directly into the cell, causing it to die. Because the drug is delivered directly to cells with c-MET protein overexpression, ADCs like Teliso-V may help limit damage to healthy cells and reduce side effects. Teliso-V can still cause side effects due to its mechanism of action or how it works in the body.
My name is Dr. Jonathan Goldman. I work at UCLA, where I'm a medical oncologist focusing on clinical research for thoracic cancers, including lung cancer. We think that participation in a trial like this affords a really good opportunity for patients to get a new drug and helps us scientifically best understand our treatment for future patients.
What is the goal of this study?
The main goal of this study is to compare two treatments, the medicine Teliso-V and the established chemotherapy drug docetaxel. This study specifically evaluates if Teliso-V can lengthen the time before the cancer progresses and if it works to increase how long someone lives with NSCLC compared to docetaxel. It also will look to see how safe the medicine is, what it does to the body, and what the body does to it.
On this trial, we are trying to see if we're able to improve the standard of care for our lung cancer patients. We think that this may be an important step forward for lung cancer care.
Can you tell me how this study is set up?
This is a randomized study, meaning eligible participants will be assigned by chance to one of two groups. Participants will know which group they are in. Participants in the first group will receive Teliso-V every 2 weeks. Participants in the second group will receive docetaxel every 3 weeks. Medicines will be delivered through an IV infusion, which means they are delivered through a small needle placed into a vein in the participant's arm.
On both arms of the trial, we'll be getting CT scans about every 6 to 8 weeks and making sure that the cancer remains under good control. If you have side effects or the cancer is clearly growing, we often would discuss stopping the trial and looking at other treatment options. But otherwise, we will usually recommend continuing on treatment for as long as it's providing meaningful benefit.
Who can take part in this study?
To join, you must be 18 years of age or older. You must have been diagnosed with locally advanced or metastatic NSCLC. You must have c-MET overexpressing NSCLC. You must also have tried at least one other treatment for locally advanced or metastatic NSCLC that didn't stop the disease from worsening. We hope this video helped you learn more about the TeliMET NSCLC-01 study. Check out the TeliMET NSCLC-01 study page on myTRIAList, where you can find the study contact in case you have questions or want to find out if you qualify for the study. Visit the myTRIAList trial finder at myTRIAList.org to find the right study for you.